A body weighs 90 kilogram force on the surface of the earth. How much will it weight on the surface of the Mars, whose mass is 1 by 9 and the radius is 1 by 2 of that of the earth? So very simple, students. We have to first write the what is the gravity on the earth surface. It is g m by r square, because this r is the radius of the earth, this m is the mass of the earth. Similarly for the Mars, so gravity on the Mars, which is equal to g m by radius of the Mars the whole square. So now we can do that g m by ge, that is dividing the gravity of the Mars with gravity of the earth. So we get g get cancelled, the mass of the Mars by mass of the earth into radius of the earth by radius of the Mars into whole square. So very simple, student. G get cancelled, gm by ge. So I will take the gm numerator and the ge denominator. So we arrive this equation. So from this we come to the conclusion, the mass of the Mars is 1 by 9 times that of the earth. That is, it is equal to 1 by 9, and this is reciprocal. So we have to write 2 by 1 the whole square. Dear students, very simple. The mass of the Mars is 1 by 9 times of the mass of the earth. So mass of the Mars is equal to 1 by 9 times of the mass of the earth. So m by me, which is equal to 1 by m. Then radius of the Mars, which is equal to 1 by 2 times of radius of earth. So here it is given re by rm. So re by rm, which is equal to 2. So that is 2 by 1 the whole square. The answer is 4 by 9. The answer is 4 by 9. So what we will get? So that is the ge comes here, means gm, which is equal to gravity of the Mars, which is equal to 4 by 9 times of gravity of the earth. So what is the weight of the body? Very simple. Weight of the body in the Mars, which is equal to mass into gravity of the Mars. So the gravity of the Mars is given by gm is equal to 4 by 3 times of ge. So which is equal to 4 by 3 times of gravity of the earth. So we get what is the answer? So this is a 4 by 3 into dear students, it is not a 4 by 3, it is 4 by 9. So finally we get weight of the body in the Mars is equal to 4 by 9 into m into ge. So what is the m into ge? It is the weight of the body in the earth. That is given in the question itself. Weight of the body in the earth is 90 kg. So we can write 4 by 9 into 90. So cancelling these things, we get this is 1 time, this is 10 times. So final answer, weight of the Mars, which is equal to 40 kilogram force. So very simple, students. So read the question carefully. So what we have to take in that 1 by 9 times and 1 by 2 times is you have to understand clearly. Okay. So this is a question. Copy it in your classwork note. At what height from the surface of the earth will the value of the acceleration due to gravity g be reduced by 36% from the value of the surface? So if we take that on the surface it is 100%, means now it is reduced by 36%. So 36% is reduced, means remaining how many percent we have? Yes, we have only 64%. So we can write at a certain height the gravity is equal to 64% of gravity on the earth. So we can write 64 by 100 into g. So then what we have to write? GH, which is equal to g, okay, into. So this is the formula we arrived. We are derived in the theory part, r plus h the whole square This is the equation for G by G. So GH by G or GH which is equal to G into R square by R plus H the whole square. So instead of GH you have to substitute 64 by 100 G. So 64 by 100 G which is equal to G into R by R plus H the whole square. R square into R plus H the whole square. G get cancelled. So squaring on both sides, what will happen? 64 is a 8 squared is a 64, 10 squared is a 100, which is equal to squaring means R by R plus H. So what we will get? You have to bring all those things and here and there. By solving this equation, we arrived at take reciprocal on this side 10 by 8 which is equal to R plus H by R. So R plus H is 1 plus H by R. Then what we have to do? You bring this 1 this side. So 10 by 8 minus 1 which is equal to H by R. So again I will say that. So I will take the reciprocal of these things. 10 by 8 is equal to R plus H. R by R 1 and H by R. So I will bring this 1 this side. That means this side means 10 minus 8 minus 1 by H by R. 10 minus 8 means 10 minus 8 by 8 which is equal to H by R. That is we get 2 by 8 which is equal to H by R. So we get 4, 1 by 4. So H which is equal to R by 4. H which is equal to R by 4. Where H is equal to, what is R value? 6,400 kilometer as it is given in the question itself. So divided by 4, we get height which is equal to 1,600 kilometer. So this is the value of the answer. So by solving these things, we get an answer 1,600 kilometer. So you have to understand it is reduced by 36% means not reduced to. It is reduced by 36 means 100 minus 36, 64%.